Understanding version control. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important concept in the world of technology: version control. It's a key part of many projects, especially in software development. But what exactly is version control, and why is it so important? Let's find out together. Version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time. This allows you to recall specific versions later. Imagine it like a detailed history book for your documents or code. It's essential because it lets multiple people work together on a project without overriding each other's work. It also helps in tracking changes, finding errors, and returning to earlier versions if needed. Version control works by tracking changes in a project. When you make a change, it's like taking a snapshot of your files at that moment. These snapshots are called commits. You can go back to any commit to see what the project looked like at that point in time. It's like having a time machine for your project. There are two main types of version control systems: centralized and distributed. In a centralized system, there's a single server storing all the versions, and everyone works on that. In a distributed system, each contributor has their own copy of the entire history, offering more flexibility and security. Some popular version control tools include Git, Subversion, SVN, and Mercurial. Git is widely used in the industry and known for its speed and efficiency. SVN is another popular choice, especially in corporate environments. Mercurial offers simplicity and ease of use, making it a favorite for many developers. Version control is essential because it helps manage changes and avoid conflicts, allows teams to collaborate effectively, keeps a history of changes, which is crucial for finding and fixing bugs, provides a safety net so you can experiment without the fear of losing work. That's all about version control. It's a powerful tool that helps teams work together smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a developer, a project manager, or just interested in tech, understanding version control is invaluable. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you apply these concepts in your projects.